Okay, our lesson for today according to the last two example before the lesson 6. So the first thing we are consider as a example 2 in the question given is if we have a 6.25 mole per kilogram sodium hydroxide solution and with a density 1.33 gram per ml at 20 degrees C. The target question is calculate the molarity of the sodium hydroxide solution, mole fractions of the sodium hydroxide solution, and also the percentage by mass. So the first thing we are consider to the first target question we can call as molarity. So we come out to the first data, we just have 6.25 molal, or we can write also mole per kilogram. So we can rewrite again 6.25 mole over 1 kilogram, that equivalent to the formula in molarity, mole solute over mass of solvent in kilogram. So from the formula and relationship between the value given, so you must predict the one assumption from them. So from the definition in molarity, we know that if formula of the molarity, that I state that mole of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. So this part you must make assumption. So next steps, you must rewrite the assumption statement. Assume mass of solvent is 1 kilogram. So therefore, we can find a new information. So mole of solute is 6.25 mole. So if you write for this statement, basically you can get 1 mark for the term assumption. Okay, next. We are focused to the target question. We want to find out the molarity, so we must write the formula of molarity to identify the next data. So molarity equal to the mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So the formula of the solution, you must write down together the symbol of L in liter. So from the target question, it requires mole of solute and volume of solution. So from the statement of assumption, we can find the terms of solute, but the unit of solute is mole. So we already have the first data. Second data is require the volume of solution, but we only have the mass of solvent. So what next is your task? You must be find out first mass of solution. Why? Because we want to substitute into the formula of density to find out the volume of solution. So the mass of solution, we know that is equivalent to the addition between mass of solvent plus mass of solute. So your task right now, find out first mass of solute. So the mass of solute we get, the mole for here is 6.25 mole times the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. So therefore we times by the molar mass of solute. So we can find the relative atomic mass of sodium. It must be equal to the 23 plus 16 plus 1 gram per mole. So you can find out the mass of solute is equal to the 250 gram. So next task, find out the mass of solution by addition between solute and solvent. So mass of solution equal to the 250 gram plus. So the first data tadi kita dah already have the mass of solvent is 1 kilogram. So you must be convert 1 kilogram into gram. So you just plus by 1000 gram. So you can get 1250 gram as a mass of solution. By using the value of density 1.33 gram per mil. So we substitute formula density of solution. So 1.33 gram per mil. So equivalent to the mass of solution 1250 gram over volume solution. So we can find the target equation volume solution is equal to 939.85 mil. So next step, you need to substitute into the formula molarity. Our mole should be is equal to the 6.25 mole over volume in liter. So we divide by 0.9399 liter. So we can come out the value of molarity 6.65 mole per liter. So we already find out the first equation.